Hi guys, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be showing you how to make a fresh fruit and pound cake trifle with a little bit of twist to it. I love my almonds, so I have sprinkled almonds on top. Maybe I went a little overboard, but hey, that's how I like it. These are the fruits that I will be using, but you can always substitute it with fruits of your choice. Here's a tip for you guys. Try not to use a spoon like I did. It works better with a whisk. You know, if you wanted to, you could just use a saucepan from the get-go. Just do all the mixing. That way you have one less dish to wash. So it's very important to continuously stir throughout the process in order to avoid lumps forming and to get a nice creamy texture. Here comes my favorite part, building it up. Now here's the thing guys, there is no right or wrong way. It's totally up to your liking. Some people like pound cake, some people don't, some people like fruit, some people don't. So it is very versatile. You can make it how you like it because at the end of the day, it's the taste that counts, and I promise you guys will love it. So if you're looking for a delicious treat to bring to a family gathering or just to have around the house, then I suggest you give this a try. And just like that, you have a sweet, creamy, delightful treat staring at you and screaming out deliciousness. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till next time!